Hi, honey. So, guess what? Caught our first legal lobster in the Florida Keys down in Islamorada. Just want to demonstrate that this thing is legal. Bam. From the eyes to right there. We're just a little bit over legal size. It's fan-freaking-tastic. And now we're going to harvest this mother.
Oh, dear.
Done. Let me take one of these. Jam it like its ass. Right there. Come on, baby.
What are you doing?
This is going to clean out its intestine. So you stick it up there. And get it. Keeps hooking on my gloves. Sorry. There we go. All the way up. And then you're supposed to twist it. And it didn't work. Let's try another one. Alright. You might have to go up and borrow that lady. She's got one. Does it really well.
It's still making noise.
There it is right there. Got it. There's the intestines. And that, my dear, is a nice lobster tail.
Very nice.
Yay.
Good job.
Freaking awesome.
Yes.
And the final end of it, hang on. Put that there. Get that in the refrigerator. Follow me. There's a bunch of snapper in here somewhere. Now let's throw that in, and maybe the fish will get it. Oh my God, giant tarpon. And watch, it's gonna eat it.
It's kind of hard to see on the video.
Oh my gosh, huge tarpon, that's amazing. All right, that's it, yay.